Oh, back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy, and today we have another versus battle. We have the brand new JBL Flip 6 versus the JBL Flip 5. They basically look the same. They're basically in the same price range. You could probably find this one for like 110 bucks now, the JBL Flip 5, and the new Flip 6 is going for 130. But there is also some Flip 5s still out there for 130. So we're gonna do a little versus battle and see if it's worth upgrading or just keeping what you got. All right, so how this is gonna work, I'm gonna hand these speakers to my sister. I'm gonna put my blindfold on. This will be the last time I'm touching these. She's gonna rearrange, do a little thing, and then we're gonna play 3 songs on high volume. And at the end, you'll get the results of me and B behind the camera, what we think about the speakers. So let's get to it. All right, so one thing I do wanna say is the Flip 6, JBL finally added EQ to their app, which is great because it was horrible and it sucked that they didn't have it. They only have like 3 levels. You only could boost +1, +1, 2, or 3. So the Flip 6 is one of the few speakers that you can EQ, but we did not do it for this video because the Flip 5 doesn't have it. They don't have the same feature for the 5. Hopefully they update it and they do, but right now when I checked, they didn't have it. We're just gonna go non-EQ'd because the JBL Flip 5 doesn't have EQ. Let's keep it even, let's keep it good, let's keep it clean, and let's get started. All right, so here we go. First song, first speaker, let's do it.
Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito. Sabi na tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto. Pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato. Di kailangan inerhiyan yung negatibo. Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito. Sabi na tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto. Pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato. Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito. Sabi na tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto. Pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato. Di kailangan inerhiyan yung negatibo. Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito. Sabi na tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto. Pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato.
Okay, B, make sure you're writing down your outcomes for all this. I will say the first song had a little bit more volume. It was very noticeable. And also the clarity was better on the first speaker, my bad, on the first speaker. So if I had to choose, I would go with the first speaker. All right, so here we go. We got the second song, first speaker. Let's do it. Okay, the basses, B, let me know when we get to it. They feel the same from the first song and this song. There's really not too much going crazy in here. But the vocals and the instruments, they stick out more. They sound more clear. They sound more alive. I will go with the second speaker. On the second speaker, everything I just said is for the second speaker. All right, so here we go. We got the third song. This will be our last song. Let's do it. That one was very easy for me because, you know, it's EDM's very instrument focused or melody focused. I can hear that saw tooth just going in there. I like the second speaker. That was an easy one for me. All right, let's find out what the results are. B, break it down.
So you have a clean sweep and your winner is the JBL Flip 6.
Oh, okay. When you said flip, I was like, if 5 comes out her mouth, it's gonna be crazy. I was waiting for it. So the Flip 6 is the winner. And the clarity was an upgrade, and it's the same thing that you get from the Charge 5 from the 4. And I think it's the same little upgrade you get here. You can hear the vocals, the instruments, they pop out a little bit more. B, what do you got for me?
Yeah, for me, I had, as I was viewing, it was the 6 as well. And all I wrote was crispy. It sounded crispy to me.
Crispy. And KBHD, baby, crispy. So yeah, B has the same thing. So it's a nice little upgrade. And if you don't have one, these are literally in the same price range. Some places are probably still selling this for $130 because a lot of people, I had some comments, didn't even know this was out yet and they end up buying this. So just get the Flip 6, I would say, and get that little bit of boost, and you get to EQ it now. So that's also in the app. So that's another good thing, because what I do is I keep the bass where it's at and I EQ the mids and the highs up to the maximum volume and gave it a little bit more oomph. So also you guys can go with that. So if it was me and I was to tell you guys which one to get, I would get the Flip 6 anyways. It sounds good, the clarity was there, the vocals sounded good, the bass was basically the same on these. Honestly, I was trying to find a song that would differ. They basically sound the same to me. So yeah, Flip 6 1 sounded good, and now it has EQ in the app. Heck yeah, this was what I would get. All right, but so there you have it. If you want to see some more versus battles, click one of these 2 links and you guys will be able to check it out. And if you like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see all you guys in my next video. My name is Rodney, this was Wanna Buy It. Everyone be safe out there. Peace.